Hello guys, what's up? Hope so you all are fine. So without wasting your and mine precious time, let's get started. Hello guys, in this video I am gonna tell you about the best editing apps for PC, so if you don't want to miss some really useful apps, so make sure to watch the full video till the end, and all the apps download links are mentioned in the description box for your convenience. Let's dive into Clipchamp, the online video editor that makes creating stunning videos a breeze. With Clipchamp, you can easily trim, cut, and merge your clips, no experience needed. Whether you're making content for YouTube, social media, or personal projects, Clipchamp offers a user-friendly interface that helps you get started in no time. But that's not all. Clipchamp comes packed with a library of stock videos, images, and audio tracks to elevate your project. Plus, you can add text, filters, and effects to make your videos truly shine. Want to showcase your personality? Customize your clips with fun transitions and animations. And did I mention the templates? Clipchamp offers a variety of templates for all occasions, so you can jump right in and create something amazing, fast. Collaboration is super easy too. Share your projects with friends or team members, and work together in real time. No more back and forth emails, just seamless teamwork. When you're ready to share your masterpiece, Clipchamp makes exporting a breeze. Choose your desired resolution, and you're good to go, straight to your favorite platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. So why wait? Join millions of creators who are already using Clipchamp to tell their stories. Click the link in the description to start your free trial today and unleash your creativity. Okay, let's move towards the second app of the list. Looking to elevate your design skills without breaking a sweat? Let's explore Canva, the ultimate design tool that makes creativity accessible for everyone. With Canva, you can create stunning graphics, presentations, social media posts, and so much more, all in one place. No design experience? No problem. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface means you can start designing right away. What sets Canva apart? It's packed with thousands of templates tailored for every occasion. Whether you're designing a birthday invitation, a business flyer, or an eye-catching Instagram post, you'll find a template that fits your needs. And don't forget about the extensive library of photos, illustrations, and icons. With just a few clicks, you can add professional flair to your designs, making them pop with personality. Need to collaborate? Canva has you covered. Share your designs with teammates or friends for real-time feedback and edits. Working together has never been easier. When you're ready to share your creations, Canva lets you download your work in multiple formats, perfect for printing or online use. Plus, with the ability to schedule your social media posts directly from Canva, you can streamline your workflow like a pro. So, what are you waiting for? Join millions of users who are bringing their ideas to life with Canva. Click the link in the description to get started for free today and unlock your creative potential. Okay, let's move towards the third app of the list. Let's explore iMovie, the user-friendly video editing software that puts powerful tools right at your fingertips. With iMovie, you can effortlessly trim, cut, and arrange your clips. Whether you're working on a vlog, a family video, or a school project, iMovie's intuitive interface makes editing a breeze, perfect for beginners and pros alike. What really makes iMovie shine? The built-in themes and templates. Choose from a variety of styles to give your videos that polished look. Plus, with its stunning cinematic filters and transitions, you can add a professional touch in just a few clicks. Need to add some flair? iMovie lets you incorporate music, sound effects, and even voiceovers to enhance your storytelling. You can easily adjust audio levels and create a balanced soundscape that captures your audience's attention. And if you want to share your masterpiece, iMovie makes it simple. Export your videos in high quality and share them directly to platforms like YouTube and Vimeo. You can even create movie trailers that wow your friends and family. Whether you're editing on your Mac or iOS device, iMovie syncs seamlessly across all your Apple products. This means you can start a project on your iPhone and finish it on your Mac, all without missing a beat. So, why wait? Dive into the world of video editing with iMovie and bring your stories to life. Click the link in the description to learn more and start your editing journey today. Okay, let's move towards the fourth app of the list. Hey there, creators! Looking to make amazing videos quickly and easily? Let's dive into Movavi, the powerful video editing software designed for everyone, from beginners to pros. With Movavi, you can edit videos in just a few clicks. The user-friendly interface makes it simple to trim, cut, and arrange your clips, so you can focus on bringing your vision to life. No technical experience required. What sets Movavi apart? Its rich library of effects, filters, and transitions. Add a creative touch to your videos and make them stand out. Whether you're creating a travel vlog, a tutorial, or a family montage, there's a perfect effect for every project. Want to enhance your audio? Movavi makes it easy to adjust sound levels, add background music, and even remove unwanted noise. With just a few clicks, you can create a polished audio experience that complements your visuals. And if you need to share your creation, Movavi has got you covered. Export your videos in any format you need, or share them directly to platforms like YouTube and Facebook. Plus, with Movavi's built-in tools, you can create eye-catching thumbnails to grab attention. Movavi also offers a range of templates and customizable features, so you can create everything from stunning slideshows to engaging promotional videos. It's all about making your editing experience as seamless as possible. So, what are you waiting for? Join the millions of users who are already harnessing the power of Movavi to tell their stories. Click the link in the description to start your free trial today and unleash your creativity. Okay, let's move towards the fifth app of the list. Hey everyone! Ready to create stunning videos with ease? Let's check out Vimeo Create, the all-in-one video maker that brings your ideas to life fast. With Vimeo Create, you can craft professional-looking videos in just minutes. Whether you're making social media clips, promotional content, or personal projects, the intuitive interface makes editing a breeze, even if you're a beginner. What really sets Vimeo Create apart? It's packed with customizable templates designed for any occasion. Just choose a template, add your clips, and watch your video come together effortlessly. No design skills? No problem. Want to add some flair? Vimeo Create offers a library of stock footage, music, and animations to enhance your project. Plus, you can easily incorporate your own footage and images, giving your videos a personal touch. And sharing your masterpiece is super simple. Once you're done, export your video in high quality and share it directly on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Your audience will be wowed by your polished creations. But that's not all. Vimeo Create also offers analytics to track your video performance. You'll gain insights into what works best, helping you refine your content strategy over time. So why wait? Join the community of creators who are using Vimeo Create to tell their stories. Click the link in the description to start your free trial today and unleash your creativity like never before.